Is it okay to keep flour in the freezer? Years ago I noticed I was getting little bugs in the flour that I kept in the pantry. To prevent this, I started keeping my flour in the freezer. I don't do a lot of baking, but I was wondering what effects this might have on anything I do bake. Do baked goods turn out any differently when flour is kept in the freezer versus flour kept at room temperature? Also, if it's okay to freeze flour, how long will it last this way?
Yes, of course you can keep flour in the freezer. For whole wheat flour, which is susceptible to rancidity due to the fat from the whole grain being included, it is even recommended. For white flour, according to the University of Nebraska Extension in Lancaster County, see link 1. Emphasis added, for longer storage, keep white flours in the refrigerator in an airtight container. All-purpose and bread flour will keep up to 2 years at 40°F in your refrigerator, according to the Wheat Foods Council. They can be stored indefinitely in the freezer. Short answer, yes, provided you emphasize the airtightness of your storage container. I often trust the wisdom espoused on the forums of King Arthur Flour's website, and specifically this topic on freezing flour, see link 1. All commenters who report personal anecdotes with freezing flour report positive ones. The one note that should be made is that self-rising flour could lose some effectiveness if frozen, thawed, refrozen, etc. due to the moisture changes. Also note that if you remove the cold flour from the freezer and let it sit at room temperature, it will gather moisture from the air because of its temperature, a la a cold glass of water gathering condensation.